Oh, this coffee's good. Hello YouTube, it is Lily Edgar and I'm back again with another video. And today is a super exciting video for me because I am going to be unboxing a brand new iPhone 11 that my stepdad gave to me for my birthday yesterday. I feel like I'm doing so many unboxing videos on my channel now, but yeah, I just unbox them whenever I get something fancy and new, and I'm very, very excited to be opening this. Yeah, so yesterday was my birthday, and one of the gifts that I got was a brand new iPhone 11 and a clear case for it, so I will be unboxing both of those today, and I'm super, super excited, and I cannot wait to open it up. It's gonna be great. I really wanted the iPhone 11 because of obviously the amazing camera, among other things. But hopefully with this iPhone 11, I'll be able to vlog some more and have some better quality in my videos. So yeah, let's open it up. All right, here is the iPhone 11 in its package. All right, without further ado, let's just get into it. All right, here we go. Look at it, oh my gosh. Oh my god! Oh, everything just came out on top of it, okay, wow. Wow, all right, well here is the iPhone 11. Still has the plastic on it. Oh my god, it feels so fragile. Let's peel this off. It's stuck to me. Wow. Oh my god, it's so much bigger than my phone I have now. Well, they give you 2 Apple stickers. Oh, look, this is an unlocked phone, so here is the thing to put your SIM card in, which because it's during quarantine, I will have to do that. They give you a little information thing. Hello, how to turn it on. So that all comes inside this little packet. And then of course the ear pods with the lightning connector, because it doesn't have a headphone jack like an iPhone 7, which is what I currently have. So open this. Charger, and then here's the other charger. And that's everything that's inside this case. So here is the phone. Oh my god, it's so shiny and new. Ah! Should we turn it on? I'm like scared I'm gonna drop it. All right, well this baby's turning on, so. Hello. And let's pick English. United States. All right, well I'm gonna set this bad boy up later off camera, but this is just me opening it. Oh, it's so beautiful. All right, let's compare it to my other phone. All right, so here's my current phone. I have the Sailor Moon case on it right now. I've had this phone for almost 3 years, 2 years. This is the current phone that I have, the iPhone 7 in rose gold. Still wish that they made rose gold phones. I think it was such a big mistake that they didn't make them anymore. But alas, the white is still very beautiful. So this is a comparison of the size. And of course the screens are different too. I'm so excited. All right, let's open up the case now. This is just the clear case for it. So you can still see all the beauty. Oh, look at this, it's like super easy to open this. That was so easy. Get in there. I'm like scared to hurt it. Ah! All right. She's in. It's so beautiful. Wow, I love it. I need to get a screen protector on this, but beautiful, lovely. Oh my god, I feel like I'm in the future now. I don't know why. Wow, so cute. I'm so excited to see what the camera looks like for this. And the screen is so big. Like, I'm used to such a smaller screen. Like, it's huge. Wow, okay. Also, disclaimer, this is not any means to brag or to boast about the gifts that I receive. I feel very, very grateful that my stepdad gave me this for my birthday. I really feel very lucky and grateful that I get the gifts that I get and I have the life that I have. And that's a really important thing, is to think about how grateful you are every day with what you have and how some people might not have those same opportunities and those same gifts. So no, I'm not trying to brag or boast. I just know that people really enjoy watching unboxing videos. I enjoy watching unboxing videos too, so I thought that you guys might like it if I shared. Well, that was my iPhone 11 unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of me, subscribe if you want to, but only if you want to. Thank you for watching through this whole video. I hope you have a lovely day, and that's all. Bye. Finish my coffee now. Oh, I got lipstick on the other side. Whoops. Wow, cute. Ah! Oh my god! Wow.